Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili lime vinaigrette. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients. You'll need the juice of about 2 to 3 limes, roughly 1/4 cup. For the base, use 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil. Don't forget a small red chili, like a serrano or jalapeno, for that signature kick. A teaspoon of honey or agave nectar balances the flavors beautifully. Finally, a clove of garlic, fresh cilantro, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt will complete your delicious vinaigrette. Now let's get mixing. First, finely mince your garlic clove and the chili pepper. Remember to remove the seeds from the chili if you prefer less heat. Next, roughly chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Combine the lime juice, olive oil, minced garlic, chili, honey, cilantro, and salt in a small jar or a bowl. This simple preparation ensures all flavors meld together perfectly. The key to a great vinaigrette is emulsification. If you're using a jar, simply secure the lid and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds until the mixture is well combined and slightly thickened. If using a bowl, whisk continuously until the oil and lime juice are fully incorporated. This process creates a beautiful, creamy texture. Always taste your vinaigrette and adjust the salt, sweetness, or chili level to your preference. Your homemade chili lime vinaigrette is incredibly versatile. It's fantastic drizzled over fresh green salads, adds a zesty kick to fish tacos, or brightens up grilled vegetables. You can even use it as a vibrant marinade for chicken or fish before cooking. To keep it fresh, store your vinaigrette in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Give it a quick shake before each use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.